So the plans have been finalized for your upcoming trip to the District of Columbia for the attractions of all the museums and all the amazing monuments here. But there's one thing left on your list that you have to do, and that's food. Well, at ARC's Catering, we got you covered. We have the solution right for you. So as your guests are enjoying their time visiting and touring the monuments and or other museums and attractions, they need to eat. But why worry about that when we can actually customize, as you see an example here, a box lunch for your guests to grab and eat. Don't worry about the time that it's going to take for them to go find food when we can bring it right to you to the bus and have it ready for your guests to enjoy. Not only do we have lunch options, but we also have breakfast. As you see here is a yogurt parfait, but we have continental options and we also have hot breakfast catered options. But we also have one other thing that your guests could enjoy, and that's a hot catered meal as they're coming back onto the bus after a long day of viewing their attraction. We'll have a meal ready for them. We'll show up, have the meal, and you'll be on your way. Great day in DC visiting all the attractions. So let us be the solution to the last thing on your checklist is the food. Check us out at arcscatering-dc.com.